How to turn on SMS on Facebook Messenger. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on SMS on your Facebook Messenger. So easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Messenger, click on it. Now click on your profile, scroll down and click on SMS. And now you have use Messenger for your phone's regular SMS text. Standard messaging rater apply, and now you can click on it and turn on this option, and now you have those options. You can fix it, and this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to help us with like.